In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play Sword of Convallaria on your PC. So Sword of Convallaria is a journey through a country whose magical resources have drawn unwanted attention from dangerous external factions. It's up to you as the leader to navigate complex situations while finding ways to save the fate of your country. So in order to download this game, you must have installed Steam into your device. If you don't have Steam installed into your device, you're going to open any browser in your system, and then you're just going to type into the search box for download Steam and then hit enter. After that, you will be able to see here different links, and most of them from Steam website. So you're going to go with the first link. And after that, you will be able to see here this kind of screen, and as you can see here, you have the option to install Steam. So you're just going to click on this option, and after that it's going to install the setup file of Steam on your PC. After that, you can just go into the download folder of your PC, and then you will be able to see here this Steam setup file. You can just double click on this file, click on next again, and after that you can just select here the location where you want to install Steam. After that, you're just going to wait a couple of seconds or minutes, and then Steam will be installed into your device. Once it's done, you can just open Steam application, and then you will be able to see here this kind of interface. As you can see here at the right side of your screen, you have the search box. So you're going to type in the name of your game in the search box, which is Sword of Convallaria, and then hit enter. Then you're going to see your game right over here, so you're going to click on that. As you can see here, this is the game Sword of Convallaria. You're just going to scroll down here, and as you can see here, this game is totally free to play. So you're just going to click on add to library, and after that, the game will be added to your library. If you see at the upper side of your screen, you will be able to see here library. So you're going to click on that. And as you can see here, we have your game, which is Sword of Convallaria. It's around 5.79 GB, so you can just click on install over here, and then just click on install again. And after that, it's just going to install it into your device, and then you can play it easily.